Hey guys, I hope you are doing well, and in this video we will see that how you can make this amazing UI and UX design on Figma. So let me demonstrate it first to you all. So as you can see that we have a night mode option here, so let's see that how it works. So we'll click on this one. Whoa, so this will give you a light mode. That is awesome. And you will also have this option of scrolling chat list. This will work on both the modes, dark and light modes, which is very nice, I guess. Alright, this is the demonstration. So let's jump into our Figma and see how everything is going to work. Alright, so this is our, as you can see, the frames, and there are two dark modes, two light modes. Things are a bit tweaked. Alright, so if I click on prototype, you can see that a lot of complex things are going on here. Alright, so what we are going to do now is that we will do amazing things here. Alright, so what I will do that I will remove these interaction first. Let me remove all interactions. Alright, so as you can see that on dark mode, night mode is already enabled, which is nothing but a rectangle. As you can see that, yeah, this is a rectangle, and on top we have this ellipse. We have targeted this we had targeted this ellipse to move between these move between this rectangle, so that the animation was taking place. Alright, so now what we will do is that let me first show you that what are the things here. So this is a list of messages. As you can see, if I move it down, it will be like this one. Alright, the same thing is here. The bottom part of this is here visible, which was not visible there. Alright, the same case is here. The bottom part is not visible here, since we know the rule of frame that does not allow you to overlap things. Alright, so as you can see, this one. Alright, I hope this is easy to you. If you feel kind of confused, so you can get the link from my description and try your hands on this one. Alright, so we have these 4 frames. Now let's see that how you can animate this one. So we'll click on this ellipse. Alright, okay, we have selected this ellipse. What we'll do now is that we will click on interactions, on click, and then navigate to we will click on this light mode default, which is this frame. Alright, so now what we will do is that we will click on this light mode default and click on this ellipse, and we will click on navigate to dark mode default. We'll click on smart animate and ease in out for about, I guess, let's put this 100 milliseconds. We had not let's first do this one again here for 100 seconds. That would be fine. Ease in and out would be great for this one. Okay, so let me show you that how that is taking place. Yeah, this is fine there. I guess yes, we are having some issue here, so let's yes, everything is fine, but as you can see that this message lists are not working as expected. So because we had not done that till now, so what we'll do is that we will take a look at that now. All right, so what first we need to do things here for the buttons, for the toggle buttons that we have here. We have click on that one, so navigate to light mode track. All right, so this will move to here, and on the drag one we have to move it to there. Navigate to yes, this will be there. All right, so things are working fine here. So as you can see that we can't see that for now, but let's animate this one first. So we'll choose on drag and navigate to, and we will choose this dark mode list track. Okay, this is fine, and we will make an interaction on this one too, so this will move us to this dark mode again. Alright, I guess this is working fine here. Okay, this is only working on this. Alright, things are pretty good on this dark mode. Let's work on this light mode. Alright, we have to click on drag, navigate to, and list mode, and 100 milliseconds. Alright, now we will click on this one. Interaction would be on drag, navigate to this one. Smart anime is in out. 100 millisecond would be great for this one too. And let's see what is not good here. Yes, I guess everything is fine here. Alright, so I hope you liked this tutorial of Figma, and if you did, give it a thumbs up for more videos like this one. I am Prem signing off, and make sure to subscribe this channel for more videos like this one. Okay, bye bye.